Ah, you see the ocean through there? I can see it right out my window in my room. Hey guys, this is Zach with Savage Traveling. I'm looking for my motorbike. It's right here. I gotta go to immigration today and extend my visa, so I'm gonna bring you guys along and tell you about that once I get there. Right now I just gotta get on the bike and ride about 30 minutes, and then I get that all sorted, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So gonna enjoy this beautiful morning with a nice ride, and then give money to the Thai government. So see you soon. Okay guys, I made it to immigration. I got my paperwork turned in on my passport. If you ever have to do this on Samui, there's a little office, if you can see the big building's immigration. To the right there on the end, there's a place to make copies of your passport, your entry card or departure card, I guess, and then they want a picture, copies of your stamps. You know, your in stamp for Thailand. So for those 3 copies, it was 20 baht, and I had passport photos, or they'll charge you for them in there. It's probably like 20 baht. So overall, it's pretty affordable. I had to give them 1,900 baht for the application fee, and now I'm going to wait about an hour, and I should be good to stay in Thailand another 30 days. So I mean, really fairly simple. I'd get here early in the morning or after lunch, as somebody else was saying. Sometimes because they close from noon to 1, and I guess it's pretty slow in the afternoons most days. You know, they say Mondays and Fridays are the busy days, but it isn't busy in there. So, but they said an hour, and I'm just going to chill out here and probably go back in the air here in a few minutes. But I wanted to shoot this and just show you guys, tell you guys what's going on. So when I come back out with my passport, I'll finish this video and tell you how it went. So no, they give you a number after you pay your money and give them your information. You got to fill out a form, which the form's free. Basic information, just what's on your passport, basically, why you're in the kingdom, tourism, what do you want, 30 more days, blah 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 blah. So yeah, simple, and it's just a money scheme. You know, they just want to make money, and it's how you survive in this world, I guess. You know what I mean? So okay, I'll be back in a little bit with the conclusion to Koh Samui visa run. Trusty steed. All right, thanks guys. Okay guys, hour and a half later, 1,900 baht, which is like $65, and I'm good for 30 more days in the Kingdom of Thailand, which puts me up to like February 20th, I think it said. So pretty fairly simple cut and dry process. You know, they just want some money. So don't be afraid to do it when you're here, because there's nothing to it. So once again, this has been Zach with Savage Traveling all around the world without a clue, and enjoying myself while I'm doing it. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and come to Thailand someday. Peace.